मुझ में है शक्ति, मुझ में है नूर। मैं हूँ एक नई सुबह का सूरज, एक नई उड़ान का नूर। रोक सके मुझे कौन जब सपने मेरे अपने हैं। हर मुश्किल को जीत लूँगी क्योंकि इरादे भी अपने हैं। Hello and welcome to today's special episode of MSBIO Academy, and I am Monica Sharma, and today on this International Women Day I want to talk all the incredible women out there. Yes, you. Have you ever dreamed of being financially independent? Of creating something of your own while managing your home, family and responsibilities? Let me tell you something, starting a business from home is easier than you think, and today I will guide you on how to start, what kind of a business you can explore and how you can build a successful venture, that too without a stress. Yes, you heard it right. So let's be honest, most of us women juggle multiple roles. We are daughters, we are wives, right? We are mothers, caregivers and much more. But in between all these roles, we sometimes forget one important role, that is being ourselves. Starting a business from home is not just about making money. It's about freedom. Basically, no boss, no 9 to 5 pressure, right? And flexibility. Work on your own terms at your own time, right? No constraint. Then learn, create and impact others. So basically growth. And the best part, you don't need a big investment or a technical skills in it. Now there are so many options depending on your skills, interests and a time availability. Let me give you a few ideas of starting a business. So first you can start as a freelancing. If you have a skills in writing, designing, video editing or a social media, start freelancing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, right? Then you can start an online coaching. If you love teaching, why not start your own digital coaching business? Don't worry, if you don't know anything, I can teach you. You can teach anything, whatever you are expertise in. For example, languages, art, cooking, fitness or even professional skills. Yes, and there are more ideas. There is one more thing you can start, that is print on demand business. It is basically you have to design t-shirts, mugs, notebooks and that too without keeping any stock. Yes, use platforms like Printify and Gumroad to sell it. Then you can start blogging and YouTube also. Share your knowledge, hobbies or experiences through a blog or through a YouTube channel. You can monetize with ads and affiliate marketing. Then there are various handmade product business you can start. If you love crafting, starting an Etsy shop for jewelry, home decor or handmade skincare products will be the best option for you. Even you can start as an affiliate marketing. Recommend products online and earn commissions. No product creation is needed here. Yes. Then another method is by the social media manager. So if you love Instagram and Facebook, manage accounts for small businesses. So guys, which of these ideas excite you the most? Take a moment and think, because one right decision today can change your life forever. Starting is simple, just follow these easy steps. First thing is you need to choose your niche. Then second, set up a small goals. Then use free tools like Canva or ChatGPT for your content creation. Instagram for marketing. No need for a paid software. Then start promoting. Tell your friends, post on social media and join online groups. And the most important thing is stay consistent. Success doesn't happen overnight, but daily efforts bring results. So be consistent in whatever you do. Now many women hesitate because of the common fears. Let's break them right now. What are those common fears? Like, I don't have time. Don't worry, even 1 hour a day is enough to start. Then there is another fear. I'm not tech savvy. Trust me, if you use WhatsApp, you can run an online business. Then there is another fear some people have. I need a big investment. Oh, many businesses starts with a 0 rupees. Just your phone and the internet, that's it. Nothing much you needed. Then there's one more fear or the excuse people say is, what if I fail? Don't worry, every successful woman has failed before, but real failure is not trying at all. So just promise me today you will give yourself a chance, right? So this Women Day, gift yourself something priceless and financial independence. Choose one business idea from this episode, take the first step, create a free social media page or test your skill online and DM me on my Facebook page @MSBIO Academy. If you need any help, I will be there and I am here to guide you. Just remember that you are strong, you are capable and you are unstoppable. हौसलों की चाहत पे चढ़ के सपनों का दिया जलाएंगे, एक नए सूरज की रोशनी से दुनिया को रोशन कर जाएंगे। आज से नहीं रुकना है, आगे ही बढ़ना है, खुद पे विश्वास है, अपनी रास्ता खुद बनाएंगे। So wishing you all a happy International Women's Day. Keep shining, keep rising and start your journey today. This is Monica Sharma signing off. Until next time, believe in yourself.